Hello, good afternoon. Day 4 on the progress of the cicada invasion. Let's see what we got cooking today. As I've noticed yesterday, and you might be able to notice in video, if not certainly on the stills that I'll take, these are not empty shells, or most of them are not. Most of these shells still have the bugs in them. Like this one right here, that bug is still in there, and he's going to be coming out of the shell soon. And in fact, that's the case with most of these shells that we're seeing here. They do have bugs inside them. Alright, now they're starting to accumulate everywhere. There's one out of his shell. Holy cow, yeah. Every day it just explodes even more. Let's look at these guys. So the ones I took pictures of here yesterday at this location that were molting, or whatever it is they call it when they crawl out of their shell, yeah, those have completed the process and are gone, replaced with new ones today. At some point I should probably try to put in the time and effort to see if I can't do a time lapse of one of these things coming out. I don't know if I got the patience for that or not. Wow, a lot of them here. I will get the still camera out and get some more pictures today. Now here's one coming out of his shell. I think in yesterday or the day before's video I made a comment when I first saw this, thinking it was a deformed or a cicada that had fungus or something, but it took me a while to realize that no, dumbass, it's simply a cicada in the process of emerging from his shell. Yeah, they are all over the guinea bush. Just in shell format today. Yesterday they were all out of their shells. And of course I do need to check the trees, see if we got any coming in the woods yet. Yes, yes. Okay, today's the day they're starting to appear on the trees. Oh boy. And there's a lot of trees back here, folks. So the explosion is still yet to come. Alright, that's it for today's report. I will be posting some stills also of some of these bugs. And we'll keep progress reports coming. See you later. I don't know if I got that or not, but maybe I did. Focus. you.